Welcome to the channel. I'm Jacob Fisher, and today we're diving back into the world of credit cards because we're basically talking about how credit cards can make you rich. Now, don't go out there and apply for every single credit card because that's not really how credit cards can make you rich. In fact, that could lower your overall credit, hurting you in the long run. Let's just get into how credit cards can make you rich though. There are a number of reasons how credit cards can hurt you, but let's just start out with the video saying that if you pay your credit cards in full every month, 95% of the time, then credit cards can really help you out. You don't need to pay in full every single month because sometimes life happens, right? And maybe you just need to pay the minimum balance one month, or maybe you get a new card with a 0% APR for 18 months because you are getting things for your house. That works too. As long as you are just paying the minimum balance, it won't drastically impact your credit score, and then you can pay the full balance later on. You know, let's just get into the last one. Let's say you're performing renovations on your house with the intention to sell it within 6 months, but you don't have all the money that you need to renovate the house to make it sell for the highest amount of money. If you're gonna put about 10K or so on a 0% APR credit card that you pay the minimum fee every month, so you don't get, you don't have to deal with them getting charged, because sometimes if you don't pay the minimum fee or minimum payment due on a 0% APR credit card, then they revoke that 0% APR. So let's say you put 10K on the credit card, but that 10K increased the value of your house 30K. I call that a smart investment as long as you pay off the card at the end. You essentially just made 20K on a 0% loan. The 0% APR allows you to pay zero interest, again, 0%, on the card for 18 months, all while increasing the value of your home that you then use to pay off the card within the 18 months. It's essentially borrowing free money because of the no interest rate. You could do this with other things, but I think home renovations make the most sense. Speaking of real estate, credit cards can help you get a lower APR on your home loan. Okay, the physical 8 Amex Platinum or the Chase Freedom card that you have isn't exactly going to get you that lower rate, but it will help build your credit, which in turn allows you to get a lower rate on a house. This works all over the place, so it's not just limited to home loans, because the higher your credit score, the lower your interest rates on loans. If we just look at auto loans, if you have above a 720, your average loan rate is 3.6% versus if you had a 620 credit score, your average rate would be 9.72%. That's a difference of $72 a month or $864 a year by having a higher credit score. Personal loans vary from 30.25%, which is insane, with a 300 credit score to 11.4% with a 720 plus credit score. That's still pretty high for a personal loan, but having a higher credit score really just opens you up to a world of opportunities in borrowing money for lower interest payments. If you're concerned about, how do I build my credit, then consider getting a secured credit card that you put a small amount on each and every single month, or a small secured deposit of $500 to create that limit. And then you just pay it off every single month. Maybe you don't even want the $500, maybe you just want a $10 limit. You can do that on a card like Chime, not like Bank of America. I think the minimum is like 100 or something for that. There are a number of things that go into credit score, and if you want to watch a full video, check out the video in the corner. But let's get into number 3 on how credit cards can make you rich, or at least feel rich. The first two are actually saving money or making money by using credit cards, but with rewards cards, you can earn points to travel for free. Would you rather buy a $1,000 ticket for first class to fly to Frankfurt, or would you rather use 50,000 points that you earn by just buying groceries every single month? I guess we're kind of saving money here by using credit cards because you don't have to pay for flights in the end, right? Or hotels, actually, you can use reward points for that as well. But mostly you get to enjoy a first class flight experience, all for the low price of the travel imposed fee of $560 each way on domestic flights. I am not actually sure what the fee is for international flights. I probably should check that since I mostly travel domestic. Either way, let's just say you spend $1,500 a month. You could be earning a absolute minimum of 2,250 points a month, or 27,000 points in a year just by using a card with a no annual fee. That's $0 you need to pay to earn points. But that's spending things on like gas, groceries, and just over stuff that you might purchase on every single month, like Amazon. 27,000 points is enough to fly 8 times on Southwest, or almost enough to stay at a hotel for Hyatt over a whole weekend, all for free. just because you spend money on food doesn't mean you can't get rewarded for spending the money. It's half the reason why this channel has started to find the best deals with credit cards. If you want to earn even more, then consider a business credit card or starting a type of business that requires you to spend money on things like advertising or just the product itself that you then sell. You could become a professional Facebook advertiser and make a ton of reward points by helping other people on their Facebook advertising campaigns. You could also be one of those people that goes out and buys products like at Walmart, where they have a bunch in stock and then sell them on, I don't know, eBay or something to make a little bit of a profit. That might be fun for a little while, but those are just more ways to earn more points. I think all of these things combined can help you become wealthier because you're essentially saving money each month by using a credit card or saving money on loans for bigger and better things. While having a credit card doesn't actually make you rich just by holding a credit card, building assets with low interest rates might be able to help you out in building your overall wealth. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below and if you use credit cards. I upload videos on Monday and Friday on travel and finance, so if that's something interesting to you, hit that little subscribe button down there. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.